So moving to Bulgaria can be difficult, but with MedConnect, we kind of help that you feel a bit more comfortable. With one thing, we made sure to kind of help with SIM cards, Wi-Fi, and especially with the Wi-Fi, you kind of need it for studying for the long year.
Today I'm at Markovo Tepe to do shopping for my Wi-Fi and my data. This has been organized by MedConnect, so then it makes the process a bit easier and I'm not left to figure it out myself.
Everything's going great so far. I've just got my eSIM sorted and Wi-Fi when I get my keys for my apartment. So everything's going smoothly. Then I'm gonna go, pick up stuff like cutlery and all that for my apartment. So yeah, there's been no problems.
So far with MedConnect, the process has been really smooth and easy. Everyone's been really helpful and the staff members have also been very helpful in guiding us through this entire process.
Today, MedConnect has taken us to get our SIM cards for our phones and helped us get Wi-Fi, and they've also taken us shopping to buy things for our apartment.
We also came to stores like IKEA and to help you get stuff for your apartment. There's also Techno Market and just outside, where we help them also get their duvets and also other things that they need for their apartment.
So this mall is, I think it's better than a lot of malls in the UK, shops in the UK, to be honest. It's quite modern. Obviously I haven't really been around it too much, so I just got here, but from what I've seen it looks great, to be honest. So yeah, I'm gonna explore it soon now.
I would recommend MedConnect with others is the care package that given us to us, how they've been good with the students, aftercare, on care as well, communication, also taking you around. In essence, you can have a student with you to show it around other areas. So it's been really good from MedConnect from the start to finish, to be honest. They're with you from year 1 to year 6 as well, so they're not dissipating after the first week. You don't hear from MedConnect. It's from year 1 all the way up to year 6. They're with you for the full duration of your actual medicine or dentistry course that you're doing. So they're there with you all the time, so you can talk to her and speak to them as well as much as you want. So, but yeah, I would recommend MedConnect to anyone who's coming to Bulgaria.
Yes, I would recommend Bulgaria as an option for friends and family.
Yeah, I would recommend MedConnect to other people because it's made the process a lot simpler.
This whole experience has been really helpful. MedConnect made sure everything went smoothly for us.